Hello everyone, I am Ryan Kitikar from Skill Build. Today I bring to you the second superpowered robot game strategy run in which I will be performing Mission 14, the Toy Factory, and Mission 15, Battery to Base. So after collecting the 3 energy units from the turbine, I will be dropping it into the Toy Factory to get all points possible for my 3 energy units being dropped. It will release the toy from the factory, and after that I will perform Battery to Base by taking the rechargeable battery back to the base where I can fill it inside this dinosaur. Stay tuned for my next video where I will be performing Mission 10, the power plant, and I will also be dropping this dinosaur to the other side of the mat. Thank you for watching. This is Skill Build, and let's build many skills.